Welcome to Pathshala Institute of Learning. Let's we learn prepositions. This is the part 2 video of to show relationship, to tell quality. Examples: he is the sign of an MP. His father is the president of his society. He is a man of principle. Children are fond of sweets. Two, to tell time, to go from one place to another place with infinitives. Examples: it is 10 to 4. Come to my house on Saturday. I am going to the market to buy a new dress. We go to school to study. With, to show togetherness, association, to show position, characteristics, to show instrument, tool, to show manner, attitude, to showcase reasons. Examples: I live my family. Drink tea with sugar. Cut the apple with a knife. The box with toys in heavy. She is angry with me. By, the door on an action. The method of means. The agent of case. Location near or next to. A deadline or a specific time. Examples: the painting was created by an unknown artist. She prefers to go to work by bus. The garden was damaged by heavy rain. He sat by the window. I will finish the project by next week. Off, movement away from something. Disconnection as separation. Starting point, not touching, removal. Examples: this picture fell off the wall. She brushed the dust off her cloth. He turned off the lights before going to bed. The plane took off on time. Upon and on, often used to express something happening immediately after or depending on something else. Second is, use is writing legal text or speeches. On. On is used show position, support or surface. Use in both formal and informal context. Examples: the book is on the table. He sat on the chair. Upon close inspection, the error became clear. Upon arriving, he was generated by the staff. From, starting point, place or time. Source of origin, Case of reason. Separation of removal. Examples: I received a gift for my parents. The river flow from the mountains. He learned a lot from experience. Please keep your hand from the equipment. Since and for. It shows when something begins. It's followed by a specific time, date, or event. It shows how long something has been happening. It's followed by period of time, hours, day, weeks, etc. Examples: She has been working here since Monday. We have been friends since school. She has been working here from 3 days. We have been friends for 10 years. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe some more videos.